Hey Python learners, in this video we'll learn how to make a star with 5 sides using the Python Turtle library. For more such videos you can refer to my Learn Python series. So let's get started. First let us analyze this star with 5 sides. This is of 100 pixels and so these are. Next this angle is 50 degree and this angle is 122 degree. So if I give an overview of how we can draw this star using the Python turtle, then first we can move this by 100 pixels and then this angle will also be 50 degree because of vertically opposite angles. So we can rotate it left towards 50 and then we can move backward by 100. Thereafter this is 120 degree and so if we see and rotate it towards right by 122 degree and then move forward by 100, then we can make this. So using the for loop we can just make this again and again and so our whole star will be formed. So let us see now. First thing, we will import the turtle library. Next we will make one line of, you can see this is 100 pixels, so 100 pixel line. Then we saw that we have to rotate it towards left by 50 degree. So towards left by 50 and then we need to move it backward. So backward and it will be by 100. Let us just write main loop. What's this? So main loop and let us run. So we can see this much is formed. So this is formed. The next thing is to rotate it towards right by 122 degree and then we'll move forward. So we will rotate it towards right by 122 degrees and then we'll move it forward by 100. So let us go and see. Okay, this seems fine. Now let us see this again. So this much is formed. Now the next thing is to move it here. So for that, I think we can use left 50 again. Let us try. So we'll rotate it towards left by 50 degrees and then we'll move it backward by 100. Let us run and see. Okay, so it has formed this much. This seems fine. Now if we simply use the for loop like this, we will be able to make the whole star. Because this much is made and after that using the for loop I think we can make the whole star. So if we use the for loop and just try this for I in range 5 and we just run this again. Okay, so it's not going fine and we need to see why. So the last step was this t dot backward 100 and then in the for loop we wrote t dot forward 100. So this was the problem, that we do not have to use this again and again. If you observe, this one and this one is exactly the same. So with the help of symmetry we can just make the star. So if we just do it like this and we run the program, so you can see a star is made. So let us just hide the turtle. We can even change the color of the star or even just the boundary of the star or the background, anything we want. So a star is made. So thanks for watching. This was all for this video. Do like, share, and subscribe the channel for more coding content. Happy coding!